human, you all understand, right? And resources, ideally we shouldn't be addressing them as resources, but it is a traditional term which is used. Traditional means it started long time back, and it is still used in the industry. So human resource are basically people who in an organization try to handle the human part of it. When I say human part of it, that means bringing in the right individual. For example, if I take school as an example, okay, because you all would be able to relate to it. So in a school, when you are doing the admission test, right? From the admission test, you take your students, and the students get enrolled in various classes depending upon their knowledge level, right? Sometimes when you have done say fifth standard, then you go to the sixth standard. Sometimes when you apply for the other school, they test you, and many a times they take you at a fifth standard level only. So like that, in an organization, when you hire people from outside, or you develop people from within, the human resource department handles all those things. That means when a person needs to move from one level to another, like for example, you must have heard of promotion, right? When a person is promoted to the other level. Similarly, when you bring individuals from outside, what are the things that you look in an individual? Like you all give exams like physics, maths, chemistry, bio, and everything else. In an organization, we don't do that sort of an exam. We do sort of an interview thing. So likewise, all these aspects are handled by the human resource department. Similarly, how the organization needs to be structured. So when I say structured, it means who will be the manager, under manager, how many reportees will you have? Under these reportees, will you have other reportees to them, or will that person do individual contributor role sort of stuff? So all these things are handled by the human resource department part of it. So I think that gives you a good understanding of what a human resource is.